Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your iPhone downloads an update but won't install, gets stuck on preparing updates, shows unable to install updates, or keeps failing at this last step, don't worry. In iPhone settings 2026, this problem is very common and usually caused by storage, power, network, or system conflicts. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix software updates not installing on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So common reasons updates don't install is because of, not enough storage, low battery or not charging, corrupted files or corrupted update files, unstable Wi-Fi, iOS system glitch, or Apple services temporarily busy. Okay, so check iPhone storage. Okay, so go to settings, go to general, and then tap iPhone storage. Okay, so make sure you have at least 6 to 10 gigabyte free. Okay, if storage is low, delete unused apps, remove large videos, offload apps temporarily. Okay, plug iPhone into power, so updates will not install reliably, so unless battery is 50% above or iPhone is plugged into a charger. Okay, so plug it and keep it connected. Use strong stable Wi-Fi too, so go to settings, go to Wi-Fi, and avoid mobile data, avoid public Wi-Fi, restart your router if needed. Okay, so because unstable Wi-Fi equals failed install. Okay, delete the failed update file. Okay, so if the update is stuck or corrupted, go to settings, general, iPhone storage, and scroll down and find iOS update, tap it and delete the update. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.